Okay, guys, so I just read this news like not an hour ago. Now, I know it came out at 9 o'clock today, but I have a real job. So I just now read this. I have not thought this through. It'll probably be a few days of thinking before I fully, realize whether this is a good thing or not. But hey, you're getting my very close to first impressions. And you see the news right here. Gevo names Paul Bloom as incoming CEO to succeed longtime leader Patrick Gruber, who will retire on April the 1st, 2026. So here's the important part. You can pause and read all this if you want to. I'll share a link to the article in the description. But effective December the 9th, Paul Bloom has been appointed president of Gevo and a director on Gevo's board of directors. Patrick Gruber has assumed the role as of executive chair of the board. So he's not leaving Gevo entirely, but he is out of the operations. He is part of the board now. And as part of the succession plan, Gruber will continue as CEO until his retirement on April the 1st, 2026, at which time Dr. Bloom will succeed Dr. Gruber as Chief Executive Officer. Now, I have no idea yet if this is a net good thing right now. I have no idea. I don't know anything about Dr. Bloom. I don't know anything. But what I do know, and I don't think I'm completely alone in this, is that, in my opinion, I think Gevo has needed some new leadership for a long time. Now, Patrick Gruber has done some good things, especially lately, like with the carbon management thing, the RNG plant, and stuff like that, and also helping secure the customer part of the net zero, which they want me to call ATJ, but no, it's net zero until they actually start. But I mean, if you just look at the 2010s, 2010s, Gevo's performance during then, and his actions since the DOE loan itself, and actually deciding to get the DOE loan, and the whole funding for net zero as a whole. I mean, look, I don't think he's been very good. I mean, the last good thing was the RNG plant, which was done ahead of schedule, and I appreciate that. But then he did the whole DOE loan thing. Now, whether this ultimately works or not, the idea itself, in my opinion, was bad. And you could argue, what was Gevo's other option? Well, I mean, as an investor, I don't care. I mean, the company is supposed to be the one to come up with this. Like, they're ones who are supposed to be good at this. There's the financial, there's the CFO and a bunch of people who are supposed to be really, really good at finding out this kind of stuff. I mean, just to throw something at you, Chevron. You remember Chevron? If you don't remember Chevron, that's part of the problem. Now, I have no idea if Dr. Bloom is going to be better or worse. I have no idea. Only time will tell. Maybe you guys who research Gevo more than I do, maybe you have a better idea. And if so, put it in the comments. But as far as I know, I think a new CEO is needed, and I'm very excited to see where this goes. And even if it doesn't go well at all, I finally have some content for my channel. But anyways, let me know what you think. Take care. Have a great day and eat your vegetables.